Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to share with you an updated hair mask tutorial. I had previously a long time ago made a coconut oil hair mask video, and I wanted to show you my updated one of what I'm currently using as my hair mask. Mainly because I use this hair mask when I'm trying to get my hair grow really quickly and really thick and trying to keep it extra healthy and shiny. I recently cut off 11 inches to donate, and so I'm back in the process of regrowing out my hair, and I just decided why not share with you my kind of secret weapon of what I do behind the scenes. So there are a couple things you're going to need for this. You're just going to need any regular coconut oil. I just use this brand from Publix. Literally any coconut oil will do. And then you're also going to need castor oil, and this is kind of the new thing that I've been adding to my hair. This, I think I got this one at Target, possibly Publix, I'm not sure, but you can get it on Amazon as well. Pretty much castor oil is super thick. It's kind of a pain in the butt to wash out of your hair, but you'd be surprised how thick and fast your hair will grow with castor oil. So this has kind of been my secret weapon to kind of get my hair to speed up the growing process. Since I cut my hair, which I think was about 2 months ago or so, it's already grown 1.5 inches. Granted, that's probably normal hair growth length, but my hair normally grows pretty quickly, and I don't know if it's from doing this, but it might be, so I figured why not share it with you guys. So let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Okay, so you're going to want to start by taking down your hair and brushing it out. I always use my bamboo brush, and I just make sure I get out all the tangles so that the oil will distribute a little bit more evenly through my hair. Make sure you wear an old t-shirt, something you don't care about, that you don't mind getting oil in. Take your coconut oil, and you're going to take a spoonful of the oil, just about that much, put it into your hand, and then you're going to start rubbing it between your hands so that it heats up. This oil will break down and become a little bit more oily as you do this, so it kind of just helps slide it into your hair a little bit more. I then focus on just the ends of my hair, and I start massaging in the oil, really making sure I'm coating all the ends so that it is even throughout the hair. When you do this, it's also going to help break down the oil. It's going to help take out all the white clumps from the oil and break it down into a true slick oil form. So I'm just going to keep doing this until I have moved all the way around my hair. Okay, so now that I'm done with the coconut oil, I take the castor oil, and it's a really thick oil, almost like a lip balm. I'm going to take out just a little bit, massage it between my fingers again, and then I'm focusing this one only in my scalp. So this one really helps your hair grow thick, and it really helps coat the follicles. So I use this as a scalp massage to really help with hair growth. And I pretty much just focus on the front of my hair and then a little bit towards the back. The front of my hair is normally what gets the driest just from styling, so I make sure I really add a lot there in the scalp to really help with the hair moisture. Okay, so now that your hair is coated in all the oil, you're going to start slicking it up into a ponytail on the top of your head. And of course, this doesn't have to be perfect because I'm not leaving the house or anything with it, but if you are, you can brush it through. I just twist it up, and then I'm going to use a clip, and I'm going to clip it on the top of my head just to keep it in place for the day. And I always just kind of coat the rest of the oil from my hands onto my hair. And now this is my little added bonus tip. I always take a little bit of the castor oil and I rub it into my eyebrows because I find that this really helps with the hair growth of your eyebrows. And that's it. So that is the whole tutorial. It's super simple. It only takes minutes to do. I pretty much will put this up on my head and I'm going to run around the house, do some laundry. I don't necessarily go out of the house looking like it like this. If I'm gonna go out of the house, I'll probably like brush it and it's just gonna look like your hair is wet or really slicked up. So if you're going to the gym or something, I'll probably be fine as long as you don't mind that look in public. But other than that, I let it sit for a minimum of 30 minutes so it can really seep in and get really worked into my scalp. For best results, you can sleep overnight in it. That being said, this is very, very oily and it will sometimes absorb all the way through. So you have to like double layer a towel over your pillow and don't be too upset if it soaks through. So I tend not to sleep in it overnight. It's just a little bit too messy for me. So I kind of just wear it through the day, sometimes only an hour, sometimes 4 hours, depending on what I'm doing. And then when you go to wash your hair, because the castor oil is way, way thicker, you're going to want to double shampoo. You have two options. Sometimes using a dandruff shampoo like a Selsun Blue really helps cut through, and so sometimes I'll use a Selsun Blue for my first shampoo, let it really break down and get out some of that extra oils. And then I'll go in with my Kalia organic shampoo, do another wash of shampoo, rinse it all out, and then just condition my ends like normal. The only difference is when you're shampooing your hair, instead of just focusing here in the roots, if you put way too much of the coconut oil on your ends will still be slick and kind of greasy if you don't let the shampoo kind of soak all the way through to the ends. So what I do is shampoo, focus on just my scalp like normal, and then I pull the shampoo through to my ends while I'm in the shower, and that just kind of helps make sure it gets all those extra greasy oils out. But after, when you get out of the shower, if you blow dry your hair, go for it. I normally just blow dry my scalp and kind of let the ends air dry, and it just makes your hair so shiny, so soft. And like I said, the castor oil is great for hair growth, so adding it to your eyebrows. Some people will put it on their eyelashes. Just be really careful you don't get it in your eyes. This is as thick as lip balm, so you really don't want it in your eyes. And other than that, that is it. I found that this has helped my hair grow super fast before, so I'm kind of doing it again and kind of going to test the waters, doing it once a week, seeing if it helps my hair grow really fast again. Hopefully it does. And maybe I'll even make my eyebrows thick, because I've never used it on my eyebrows before until recently, and it's definitely been making a difference. So stay tuned for more of that. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Hit the little bell if you want to be notified of new upcoming videos. And also don't forget to comment below if you've tried this hair mask and if it worked for you, or if you yourself have a recipe of a hair mask. I would love to try new ones. So definitely comment below and let me know your favorite hair masks. All right, stay tuned for more videos.